As you may or may not be aware, we've now finished the big shepherd's hut. One problem with the shepherd's hut we found is the fact that it's great and everything, but it has no storage. So we don't need, but we are going to create a miniature shepherd's hut so that we can actually put stuff in next to the big shepherd's hut. We're fortunate that we got a bit of land, but and the way me and my wife work is generally we just want to fill it. So because we're stupid and because we were up for a challenge, we decided that we're going to build yet another shepherd's hut. We looked at other options in terms of building maybe a cupboard within the actual shepherd's hut itself, and also we looked at maybe having storage underneath the big shepherd's hut. But it became apparent that it just wasn't going to work, and we liked the look of shepherd's hut, so we decided to, you know what, build another shepherd's hut. So this is a miniature version of the big one, and it's effectively a very expensive wardrobe, as you will see in the long run. Anyway, please stay with us and we'll carry on with the video. So here's me starting to put together the actual frame on the floor. So the frame we decided on is 5 foot by 7 foot. So this is the outer perimeter, obviously. I now need to weld in the inner parts. Hi, it's quicker to video than type. So basically I'm building a chassis that will support a miniature shepherd's hut, which will go to the right hand side of the shepherd's hut down there, and it'll be for storage. So I'm building it out of metal, obviously. So we brought all the parts for the sides and stuff, so that's the next construction.
Try and press. Oh, it's already.
You ready?
Here we are. The whole thing's got moved. We pulled it off again. Okay.
Yeah.
There.
No, can't. Lift the wheel.
Strong winds. Too far. Hopefully that works. Let's see. Yeah, mine actually stay. Is that everything?
And then my next favourite bit started, the framing. I absolutely love working with wood.
Hello, hello. So it's a little bit late, but so far the Royal We have built the chassis, and I am telling you, these wheels are so heavy. We've then put the breathable membrane on. Then you have a 9mm CLS. We've built the frame.
It's not 9mm CLS.
What is it?
9mm plywood.
Plywood. The top one's CLS, isn't it? We've done the frames for the base, including noggins all the way around. We've insulated it, and on that half we've put the vapor barrier and the breathable membrane on, so it's both sides. Now we've got this side to do because it's quite nice to see the inside. There's not much to it really, it's just a little bit of insulation that we have left over. It's going to be interesting because that is all we have left from our old project, so we've got another type of membrane. So it would be interesting to see if this little storage hut will have a difference in one half to the other. We've split it in two and we're putting it back together, and the reason for that is plainly storage. We do not have any space, so it's the best we can do. We put these little bits on the side so we know where the walls are going to be, so it's easier for the membrane, and we'll put in the 18mm on top of it, which is the next stage after this. So hopefully tonight, once we've done that, we've painted it and put it back in sections, we will have hopefully the base done, and then tomorrow we'll build the frames for the walls. Craig's unfortunately got an operation next Friday, so we're restricted to time. It's either that or I'll be doing it or again in another, how many weeks? How long will it take you to recover?
6 weeks.
6 weeks. So we're hoping it won't hold too much, but at least everything will be done and dusted health-wise, and we will be away again. So many projects building up, so it'll be nice. It's good to be out. Anyway, see you all soon. Ciao.